Welcome to part 12 of the chapter trigonometric functions, compound angle, multiple angle, and submultiple angle. Today's first problem is problem number 55 of that chapter. And the problem is, if cosec theta minus sin theta is equal to a cube and sec theta minus cos theta is equal to b cube, then the value of a square b square into a square plus b square is three, 2, 1 and 1 by 3. Two relations are given, this and that, and we have to find the value of that, and options are these. So from the first relation, it is 1 by sin theta minus sin theta is equal to a cube. That is 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta is equal to a cube. That is cos square theta by sin theta is a cube. By same approach, sec theta is 1 by cos theta, we must have sin square theta by cos theta is equal to b cube. So from here I get that. From this we obtain that relation. Now a cube by b cube, this a cube by b cube is equal to cos square theta by sin theta into sin square theta by cos theta. That is cot cube theta, cos cube by sin cube, cot cube theta. Therefore, cot cube theta is equal to a cube by b cube, cot theta is equal to a by b. Therefore, tan theta is equal to b by a. Now, from this relation, using a triangle, we can obtain the value of sin theta or cos theta, like that. Tan theta is equal to b by a. This is b, this is a, so this is root over of a square plus b square. Therefore, this is theta. Sin theta is equal to b by root over a square plus b square. If required, cos theta also can be obtained, a by root over of that. Now put it this one. So it is equal to cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. So root over of a square plus b square by b minus sin theta root over of a square plus b square is equal to a cube. That means by simplifying, b into root over a square plus b square, it is equal to a square plus b square minus b square. A square plus b square minus b square is equal to a cube. Cancels. So we get a 1. I get actually cancelling a square 1 by b into root over a square plus b square is equal to a. Now squaring and cross multiplying, we must have a square b square into a square plus b square is equal to 1. A square into b square into a square plus b square is equal to 1 square, that is 1. So option C is correct answer. Next, problem number 56. And problem 56 is the maximum and minimum value of sec square a minus tan a by sec square a plus tan a. Options 4, 1. This is maximum value, this is minimum value. Second option 6, 2, 8, 1, 3, 1 by 3. So these 4 are options. Now this is an expression involving a tan, I mean trigonometric expression involving the angle A. So we have to find its minimum and maximum value. Let us suppose that this is x. So by cross multiplication, x into this plus that, sec square a is 1 plus tan square a plus tan a minus sec square a, that is 1 plus tan square a minus a. Now from here we can obtain one quadratic equation involving tan a. It is x minus 1 into tan square a plus x tan a, and this is tan a plus 1 into tan a. So I take this plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So clearly this is a quadratic in tan a, and we know that value of tan a is always real. So this is a quadratic equation, its roots are real, therefore discriminant of the equation must be positive or equal to 0, so that its discriminant means b square, that is x plus 1 whole square minus 4 into this into that is x minus 1 whole square is greater than or equal to 0. That is x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 4 into x square minus 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Take all into that side, so that minus 4x square this is plus 4x squared. In that side, it is equal to 3x squared. Here it is plus 8x plus 10x. So in that side, minus 10x. And constant term is minus 4 plus 1. That is 3. Minus 3 in left side, right hand side is 3. Is less than or equal to 0 because this is taken into that side. Now this can be factorized at 3x square minus 9x minus x minus 10x plus 3 must be less than or equal to 0. That is 3x into x minus 3 minus oh sorry, that together is minus 10x. Then minus x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. That is 3x minus 1 into x minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. Now we arrive at a conclusion that as because it is a quadratic equation in tan A, its roots must be real. That is, that thing must be less than or equal to 0. Where now it is 1 by 3, it is 3. If x is greater than 3, then this is positive, this is positive. So these products should be positive, but it must be negative. So x cannot lie after that. By same argument, x cannot lie before that. So x must lie here from this to that. You can verify it. So from here, it is clear that maximum value of x is 3 and minimum value of x is 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1 by 3. So maximum value is 3 and minimum value is 1 by 3. So option D is correct. Next. The next problem is 57. The problem number 57 is if sine cube A plus sine square A plus sine A is equal to 1, then the value of cos to the power 6A minus 4 cos to the power 4A plus 8 cos square A is how much? Options 6, 3, 4 and 2. One relation is given, trigonometric relation, sine cube A plus sine square A plus sine A is equal to 1. Then what is the value of that? From here, I try to obtain a relation of cos. For that purpose, sine cube A plus sine A is equal to 1 minus sine square a, that is cos square a. Take sine a common. Sine square a plus 1 is equal to cos square a. Now, squaring both sides, it is sine square a into this whole square. Sine square a actually 1 minus cos square a plus 1. This its whole square is equal to cos to the power 4a. It is 1 minus cos square a into this is 2 minus cos square a whole square is equal to cos to the power 4a. Now we get now a relation only between cos square, cos to the power 4, etc. Now simplifying it, 1 minus cos square a, this is 4 minus 4 cos square a plus cos to the power 4a is equal to cos to the power 4a. Now it is, this is equal to 1 into that is 4 minus 4 cos square a plus cos to the power 4a minus, now multiply this with that, 4 cos square a plus 4 cos to the power 4a minus cos to the power 6a is equal to cos to the power 4a. This cos to the power 4a cancels. We have to find this value. So take all into that side, in right hand side. So this is cos to the power 6a. I have taken this. Cos to the power 4a is there. So minus cos to the power 4 into cos to the power 4a. This is minus cos to the power 8a. Minus 8 cos to the power 2a, sorry. Minus 8 in that side plus 8 cos to the power 2a is equal to, only thing left is 4. This 4 only. So in that side is 4. So the required value of that, which is this, required value of this is 4. So option C is correct. Next, our next problem is problem number 58. It is if tan a minus b by tan a plus sine square c by sine square a is equal to 1, then value of tan square c by tan a tan b is how much? Options 1, 4, 3 and 6. So once again We are given a trigonometric relation involving tan, sine, etc. And angles, three angles are there, A, B, and C. From there, we have to find the value of that, and all are given in terms of numerical terms. Therefore, we have to find the numerical value of that. From here, I try to find the value of tan square C. Tan C or tan square C. For that purpose, this is equal to sine square C by sine square A is equal to 1 minus tan A minus B by tan A. It is equal to tan A minus tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. And that tan A is there. So that, oh, this is that by tan A. Tan A, this 1, oh sorry, 1 into that tan A is there. And this is equal to this by that. So tan A is there. So that this tan A, that tan A cancels. So sine square C, sine square A, this into this one, it is equal to tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Oh, into tan A, sorry. Is equal to sine square A tan B by tan A into 1 plus tan A tan B. So cos square C, 1 minus sine square C, 1 minus that by is equal to I think I have mistaken somewhere. Is equal to, let us try again, Becky. 1 minus 1 sine cancel with that. That cos will be there. So cos A into 1 sine A into tan B by tan A, actually sine A by cos A, sine cancel cos. Oh, okay. 1 plus tan A tan B. I have mistaken somewhere. In calculation only. That's better. Uh, Let us drop that problem. So from here, we have to find the value of sine squared c from this relation. Simplify it, and then from sine squared c, obtain cos squared c. Then tan squared c can be obtained. Sine squared c by cos squared c. And sine squared c by cos squared c, that is tan squared c, and it would be obtained as tan A into tan B. Anyway, unfortunately, I have mistaken somewhere. Option, correct answer will be uh, 1. You try yourself, please. So next, problem number now 59. Problem number 59 is, if tan A minus tan B is equal to x, cot B minus cot A is equal to y, then value of 1 by x plus 1 by y, and options are cot A minus B, A minus B, tan A minus B, cot of A plus B, tan of A plus B. This is x and this is y. We have to find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y in terms of with a, b, tan, cot, etc. Options. I first simplify it. It is sine A by cos A minus cos B by sine B is equal to x, is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B by cos A into sine, cos A into sine B, so that it is equal to sine of A minus B by sine cos A sine B. This is x. Now y. Y is equal to cos B by sine B minus cos A by sine A. Now by same technique, the LCM is sin A cos B, LCM, and it is in numerator sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, that is sin of A minus B. Now I get x is equal to this, y is equal to that. Hence, the required expression 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by x means cos A sin B by sin of A minus B plus 1 by y sin A cos B by sin of A minus B. Oh, from beginning I have mistaken here. It is sin A by cos. Sorry. Just 1 minute. Let me. It is sin B by cos B. This is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. It is all right. By cos A cos B. It is equal to sin of A minus B by cos A cos B. Y is equal to cot B, cos by sin, sin, this is also cos A by sin A. This, it is sin B, sin A. Oh. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to cos A cos B by sin of A minus B. This is 1 upon y sin A sin B by this. LCM is sin A minus B. And numerator, it is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos of A minus B. So it is equal to cot of A minus B. So first option is correct. Okay, let us stop today. I would request you, please subscribe my channel if not yet subscribed, and share it to your friends. Thank you.